Hello cat aspirants, welcome to my channel Build the Cat. The purpose of this channel is to ensure that everybody becomes comfortable in the quant section of cat exam. I will be taking up different questions asked across the years in different cat exams and try solving it to make your life a lot easier. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is the first video in the entire series. More videos will follow. And please share your comments and I will be there to respond to your specific doubts and queries. Today's video, we will take a cat question that was asked last year. It looks to be a simple question, but still many aspirants fail to crack this question. So let's just first look at the question, read, understand what it seeks from us, make our insights, inferences, and then answer them. It says if a is positive and a power 4 minus 62a square plus 1 equal to 0, find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. So let's break this question, which is very required for such competitive exams. If a is positive, so which means that a can take any value ranging from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now there is one way to do it, by brute force, where you substitute each value to find out what are the roots of a from this equation, but that is time consuming and laborious. So the best way to do is to find the value of a or simplify this so as to find a cube plus 1 by a cube. Let's write this equation: a power 4 minus 62a square plus 1 equal to 0. It's the power of 4. See if you can simplify it, and you can. You divide each and every element here in both sides of the equation by a square. Then it becomes a square minus 62 plus 1 by a square equal to 0. Let's retain a square plus 1 by a square here and take 62 the other side. Look at the identities that you probably know and see how you can actually simplify this further. 62 is away from 64, which is a perfect square by 2, and see if you can actually summarize this into an identity. So I am going to add 2 on both sides of the equation. Alright, now this looks like a perfect identity. If you look at it, it looks like a plus 1 by a the whole square. If you expand this, you will get a square plus 1 by a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a square, so that gets cancelled, then it becomes 2. So this becomes 64. Now if you look at it, you simplify this, you can write this in the form of 8 square, which is a perfect square. Now you take the root to the other side, then it becomes 8 square the whole power 1 by 2, then it becomes 8. Alright, so you have one equation, a simplified expression, which is a plus 1 by a equal to 8. The question that's asked is a cube, right? So let's try to cube this, because when you cube this, then you get a cube plus 1 by a cube, which is very similar to the question that's asked. So a plus 1 by a the whole cube equal to 8 cube. So what's the identity? A cube plus b cube plus 3 into a plus b equal to 8 cube, which is 512. A cube plus 1 by a cube, this is what is being asked. So you retain this side and take this to the other side, which is 3 into a plus 1 by a. It becomes 512 minus 3 into a plus 1 by a is 8. The answer is 488. There were 4 options that were given: A 312, B 512, C 488, D 564. among the four options, now that we have the simple one, the simplest and the easiest one, which is 488, we can choose them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another question. Until then, goodbye.